Well, you can't have a party without a cake. Let's make one.
Yes!
All right, let's start. So take a yellow ball and roll it like that. Like this, Mele?
Yes.
Now, let's take one of our little helpers and make it into a nice pancake. All right? Then I'm going to use my plastic lid.
Like this?
Yeah, perfect. Wait a second. I just need to make it round and nice. Here we go. Here you go. So just press neatly. All right. Let's fix those edges. Okay. All right. Perfect. Show me your pancake. Excellent. Okay. Here it is. Now let's carry on with other colors. I'm going to make a purple one. And then we are going to follow the same recipe and just press the bottle lid and use another color, maybe orange. You can use other colors you want. You can use pink, green. Mela, what other colors they can use?
Blue.
Blue as well. In fact, I'm going to use blue. Here it is. Press, press, press. And it's almost done.
You should use pink too.
I will use a pink too. Okay. Good suggestion, Mela. Thank you. And this is my pink one. Press, press, press. And it's almost done. All right, we've got 5 pancakes, Mela. So let's stack them on top of each other now. Pink.
So we just need to put them on top of each other like 1,000 of cakes.
Exactly. Let's stack them together. Wait a second. Tap, tap, tap. Okay.
I don't want to squish it.
Okay, be careful. So I'll put the blue one on top. Okay. And I think it's pretty much done. Okay, let's not squash too much, just a little bit to make it nice and neat. All right, tap, tap, tap.
I want to eat this.
Let's not eat that. Just try to not squash it too much. Now we need an icing. What about a chocolate icing?
Okay.
What do you say?
Okay.
Yeah, so we need, as you notice here, we've got pink icing, but maybe let's make a chocolate one with a brown plasticine. So let's make another circle like that. It doesn't need to be perfect because it's icing, so
I want to make a chocolate one too.
okay, so you can use the same lid just to give a round shape, and we want it to be like sort of dripping, yes, a little bit, like every icing drips a little bit so it looks more natural. Wait a second, so I'll try to flatten this one a little bit, and once I've got it, just like this to put on the top. Okay, use your fingers and don't be afraid, you can't make any mistakes. All is good. Perfect, Mele. You like it?
Yes.
It looks delicious. All right. Excellent. So our icing is almost done. Yours looks really yummy.
But can we put in decorations?
Yes, we need some decorations. Now, what we're going to use for decorations, Mele? We could use anything. We could make berries, we could make some fruits, but maybe flowers. I'll go with flowers, all right? Like these ones that we made for the cakes. What do you say?
I want to think what I want to do.
All right, you think? I'm starting with the flowers. I'm going to use my stencil again and use maybe some light pink flowers just to put in the middle of the cake. Wait a second. Yeah, I think here will be just perfect.
I want to do some flowers too.
Okay, you can use different colors as well. Here you go. I'm going to use light pink and then sort of like creamy vanilla flavored as well. You can use purple. I can see you're using nice purple, pink and light pink as well.
Yes.
Is pink your favorite color then?
Yes. And even purple.
And purple as well. Okay, so we
actually all the colors.
Excellent.
I
There
like
you go.
rainbows.
There's one purple for you, and I'm carrying on just to finish my circle. Here we go. Almost done. All right. Excellent. You finished before me.
Yes.
Yours is really beautiful. Really nice. All right, so look, I almost done the middle one, and here we go. Ta-da. Now, if you want, you can leave it like that, like this. But I think I might make maybe 1 or 2 leaves, like sort of to decorate the icing a little bit more. So I'm going to use 2 green leaves like that and just stick them next to my flowers. So I'm going to make a little circle and then use my thumb to squeeze the circle and create the leaf pattern. I will use my little knife. Be careful, it's better to use the plastic one always. Mela, are you leaving yours like that?
I need to think.
Okay, well, I'm making these nice leaves and sticking them just here. 1, almost done.
I think I don't want to do anything.
Okay, excellent. Yours looks delicious. Do you like mine?
Yes.
Okay, now the final one, the 3rd one.
It looks like a rabbit because it has leaves like rabbits, just it has.
Excellent.
Fruit.
Mine is almost finished. I think that's pretty much it. And so our chocolate cakes are done, ready for the party. Ta-da!
So many lovely cakes. I love them so much. I wonder how they taste. They must taste delicious. This one tastes delicious.